Hello, my name is Alejandro Artiach. I am co-founder of data dialogue company Massmetrics. All sorts of technologies are invented every year in order to solve the problems of clean water today. Yet we still have 1 billion people without access to clean water. There is a problem that has multiple existing solutions, yet we do not seem capable of closing that gap. After undergoing extensive research, we have finally understood where the problem lies. Today there is a massive gap of information and awareness. In India, for example, only 8% of the entire population has access to clean water, yet 77% of this entire population has access to a smartphone. So they have the purchasing power, yet they're not willing to pay for a cheaper filter. So they give more value to the phone than to having access to clean water. At Massmetrics, we have created our first product called Dropmetrics in order to fill in this gap of information with high resolution geolocalized data. Our solution is a combination of hardware and software. We would go from community to community in order to pour the water inside a machine, which would generate data about the quality of the water inside, and then send it to a server that would be accessible and sold to institutions and governments and NGOs working in the water development sector. So how will we move between communities and approach the vulnerable people without really intimidating them? Well, we found inspiration in past successful door-to-door campaigns in India. We came up with the idea of transporting a machine in a truck that looks pretty much like an ice cream truck with colors and candies and games in order to become appealing to the people, right? And create that trust that is so much needed when interacting with vulnerable individuals in the developing world. It would collect the water, display the data on a screen, and tell whether the water inside is safe or toxic and the consequences of consuming it. It would also indicate the price of different filters manufactured by our partners, and the people could place an order with us, and thus we would get a commission from it. So solving the problem of water alone would have a huge health and economic impact for the entire country. Research conducted in Kenya, Bangladesh and India shows that with better water, people gain 22 days more of work, paid work. More than $5 billion are saved on medical bills per year. And sales of water purification systems would increase by 60%. Again, a huge market opportunity. So our solution therefore has enormous potential. Thank you very much.